Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in this tutorial, we would learn how can we use format as table. So guys, I would suggest you to please follow each and every steps as I say. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So for this, you must have a table filled with datas. Get it? So now I would select this table and just click on home, and I'll go to this style group, and here you will get to know about this format as table. Just click on it and you have three options: light, medium and dark. So when I'm clicking on light, just click on it, and either your table has a header or not, then you can check or uncheck it. I'm unchecking and press OK. So guys, as you can see, the same format is came here, and if you want to change it again, just select it, go to home, click on format as table. Now this time I'm selecting dark theme. As you can see the changes. Now why this arrow? This arrow contains like some options, like if you wanna this column, if you wanna show them, short it like smallest to largest. So I'll just select it, and you can see here it's showing smallest one: 0, 30, 49, 50, then 55, then 59, then 60. Similarly, what is this column 1, column 2? So this is actually the name of your column, this table's column. Get it? So I'm using here like X, Y, Z, anything. You can just name your column whatever you want. Get it? So that's all for today guys. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.